Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a bad bitch slay. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So now I'm about to get ready to put my wig on. We want to make sure that the lace is ear to ear. So when I say ear to ear, you want to cut off anything that is overlapping your ear or just causing your lace to be uncomfortable. For example, just act as if you are going to put your hair behind your ear. If there is any lace that is like making that uncomfortable, cut it off. Also, while doing this part, you want to be sure to be careful. You try not to cut any of the hair. It's okay to cut hair, but just try not to. You just don't want to just start any shedding or unnecessary shedding. But once I have gone ahead and sized up the frontal and make sure that it fits on my forehead, I'm going to give my lace another like quick tint, like just another last minute tint before I flip it back and apply my glue. Do make sure you clean your forehead. You don't want to apply glue to just like a dirty or oily forehead. It's really not going to stick. So moving along, we want to spread the glue out. Normally I work in sections, but I was in a rush when I did my hair that day because I had somewhere to go. So I just went ahead and laid the whole thing. But if you're a beginner, try to lay your glue in sections, like do the sides, do one side, do the middle, and then do the other side, because like you really have to work really quickly, like working the glue in, because it's gonna dry pretty quickly. And we still need the glue to be tacky when we go to put it down. So if you don't work as fast, lay your lace in sections. Apply the glue in sections, but if not, just go ahead and do whatever you do. But we want to do 3 layers of this, and you need to wait until each layer has like dried clear before we just move along to the next layer. Okay, so I didn't record, well, I did record how I laid the wig, but it just really didn't look right on my camera, so I cut that part out. But normally you're just literally gonna like flip the wig over and lay the lace right into the glue. After we do that part, we're gonna let an elastic band sit on the hairline and just let it sit in and let that glue dry for about 10 minutes. After you remove the elastic band, you want to proceed to the next step, which is cutting the lace. I never cut my lace like one full strip, like cutting across. I always like make little slits with my scissors, and then I cut the lace off with a razor. Okay, so you make your slits with a regular scissor, and then you want to use your razor comb to cut the lace like right there. Okay, so when it comes to cutting your lace, it looks very simple because it is, but just a quick tip, like you see me doing in the video, I pull on my lace just so I can give a even more clean cut. Get as close as you can to the hairline as possible and just cut the lace. All right, it's really not that hard, but just make sure you are using a razor so that you can get a more rugged and natural look for your lace. Okay. Okay, so after laying my lace, I'm going to go ahead and pull out my baby hair. I pretty much base my baby hair on how I'm going to style my hair. So with this particular install, I did a half up, half down. So I'm just going to have like the basic baby hair on the sides. I don't want too much going across my forehead because it is a half up, half down. So once I have parted my thin row of baby hair, emphasis on thin row, we're going to go ahead and use the hot comb. Oh, and tie your elastic band back around your lace while you do this part. Take your hot comb and just hot comb your hair the way that you are going to wear it. I'm doing a half up, half down, so I'm just going to hot comb this going straight back so that it can look snatched when I go to put it up in a ponytail. But if you were doing a side part, middle part, you would part your thin row of baby hairs and then just proceed to molding and styling your hair. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, the wig install is coming along nicely. I went ahead and styled my hair in a half up, half down. Remember to keep your melting band on the entire time you're styling your wig, just so the lace can be like extra, extra, extra melted, like you see there. It really, really helps. That is 34 inches, y'all. I'm gonna have everything in the description box below so that you can just know all the details of where to get this hair. But doing my baby hair, I only did one side for y'all because if I did both sides, I was just gonna be all day. But use a waxy edge control and literally put it on the lace part and comb it into the hair. Okay. If you do want a baby hair tutorial, please let me know. But other than that, after I did my baby hair, I proceeded to flat iron my hair, and boom, I went and got cute, y'all. I did my makeup and everything. So thanks for watching. If you do have any questions, comments, concerns, please comment down below. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks.